In this video, I'll show you exactly how to deposit money on Binance in 2025. Safe, fast, and step by step. And let's get straight into it. Make sure you watch this video to end so you don't miss any important steps. First, open the Binance app or go to Binance.com and log in. Make sure your account is verified to access all deposit options. From the home screen, tap Wallet, then choose Flat and Spot. Now hit Deposit at the top. Select your local currency like USD, Euros, Pounds, or anything else, depending on your country. Binance will now show you available deposit methods. Pick the deposit method that works for you, like bank transfer, debit card, or e-wallet. Some methods may have lower fees or faster processing times. Now enter the amount you want to deposit. Follow the on-screen instructions and carefully to complete the transaction using your selected preferred payment method. Once the transaction is processed, your funds will appear in your Binance Flat wallet. You're now ready to buy crypto or start trading. If this video helped you, make sure you subscribe and like.